Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. I'm inviting you to attend the How to Earn Money Starting Nonprofits 3-day workshop. The purpose of this video is to explain what you will learn in day 3 of 3. On the 3rd day of the workshop, you will learn how to attract, serve, and retain clients, people who would like for you to complete the 501c3 application for recognition of exemption on their behalf. So here are the learning objectives. Again, you will learn how to attract clients. That's the people who want you to complete the Form 1023 application for recognition of exemption. That's used to help people earn 501c3 status. And we're going to talk different social media platforms that you can use, different advertising strategies that you can use to attract new clients. And then we're going to talk about how do you serve the clients. Once people reach out to you, what do you do to serve them, to help them earn their 501c3 status? And then we're going to talk about retaining clients. How do you keep your clients happy enough for them to not only pay you for your services, but also to refer you to other people for your services? And then I'm going to discuss my personal daily work routines. I've been completing the Form 1023 application for clients ever since 2010, and I have a 100% approval rating, and I've served over 300 clients thus far. So I'm going to explain to you my daily routines, what I do every day to complete the application packet for clients across the United States. So register today. Again, the maximum enrollment for this first class or this first workshop is only 6 people. The discounted rate is $495 per person. Ongoing workshops will be $695 per person. I invite you to select the link in the comments below to enroll. You will enjoy a complimentary breakfast, snacks every day, a catered lunch, and an afternoon snacks every single day of the 3-day workshop. The workshop would also include 40% of me demonstrating and providing a lecture for the different topics, and then 60% of practice activities. I want you to get enough hands-on activities so that you will feel comfortable after the class being able to start your home-based business right away. So I look forward to seeing you in class on our first inaugural 3-day workshop. Again, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time and have a great day.